Welcome. In just 60 seconds, let's explore how Python lists work. Whether you're new to coding or brushing up your skills, lists are one of the most essential building blocks in Python. We'll cover what they are, how to create them, access and modify their elements, and even peek at some advanced tricks. Ready? Let's dive in and make Python lists easy to understand and use. Python list is a flexible, ordered collection that can hold any type of data, numbers, strings, even other lists. Lists are mutable, which means you can change them after creation. They also allow duplicate values and can mix different data types. Here's a quick example. My list equals 1, Apple 3.14. Notice how it holds an integer, a string, and a float all in one list. This makes lists incredibly useful for all sorts of programming tasks. There are several ways to create lists in Python. The most common is using square brackets like a equals 1, 2, 3. You can also use the list, constructor, b equals list, a, b, c. Want a list with repeated elements? Try c equals 0 asterisk 5, which gives you 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. These methods make it easy to start working with lists, no matter what data you need to store. Accessing elements in a list is simple. Use indexing. My list 0 gets the first item, while my list -1 grabs the last. Want a slice? My list 1, 3, returns a sublist from index 1 up to, but not including, index 3. This lets you quickly grab or inspect any part of your list. Indexing and slicing are powerful tools for working with data in Python. Lists are mutable, so you can update their contents easily. For example, to change the third item, just write my list 2 equals new. This replaces whatever was at index 2 with the new value. This flexibility is one of the reasons lists are so widely used in Python programming. Need to remove items from a list? You have several options. Use my list, remove x to delete the first occurrence of x my list pop, removes and returns the last item, or use del my list I to delete the item at a specific index. These methods give you control over your list's contents, letting you keep only what you need. List comprehensions are a concise way to create new lists. For example, squares equals x asterisk asterisk 2 for x in range 1, 6, quickly builds a list of squares from 1 to 5. This one-liner is both readable and powerful, making your code cleaner and faster to write. Lists can even contain other lists. This is called a nested list. For example, matrix equals 1, 2, 3, 4 creates a 2x2 matrix. Access elements with double indexing. Matrix 1, 0 gives you 3. Nested lists are great for representing grids, tables, or more complex data structures. That's a quick tour of Python lists. They're flexible, powerful, and essential for any Python programmer. Practice creating, updating, and manipulating lists to get comfortable. In the next video, we'll explore Python dictionaries, sets, and tuples, other key data structures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Python tips.